911, what is your emergency?
Yeah, I'm hiding in the closet.
Okay, why are you hiding?
My dad's away on a business trip and my stepmom's trying to seduce me.
I've had the old bull, and now I want the young calf.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, sir, just calm down.
How the fuck are you gonna tell me to calm down?
Oh, Jimmy, I have a surprise for you.
Oh, God, that's a magic wand.
Okay, sir, why is she doing this?
Because my dad's not satisfying her anymore, okay? Fuck.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna need you to run to the kitchen and grab a weapon, okay?
Okay, I'm running over there right now. Oh, fuck.
Sir?
Oh, shit, my stuck in the garbage disposal.
Whoa, how do you get stuck in there?
I don't know, I fucking slipped.
Okay, you're gonna need to turn on a light, okay?
But there's two switches and I don't know which one's which.
Okay, just pick one, okay? Just pick one.
Okay, I'm picking one. Here we go. Oh, fuck.
Sir? Bro, what the fuck?